Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with another video from ArcGIS tutorial. Today I will show you how to convert GIS attribute table data into Microsoft Excel format. In order to do this, I'm gonna go to my layer from Open Attribute Table. I can see all the information here. In order to convert these data into Microsoft Excel format, I can use table options and from export and say export all records, and from output table I need to give it an output folder. For example, here I'm population, and here in name I need to give it a name. The most important part is this, and from this I'm gonna save it as a B base table. Right now it's okay. I can save it and click on OK. It's asking me, do you want to add the current table as a new map here? I'm saying no, thanks. Then I'm going to my Microsoft Excel, from File, from Open, and I need to go to my saved file. From browser I can do this, and from here I need to change it to BBase format. Here I can find it easily, and by clicking on population it's gonna give me this option to open that. Very good. As you can see all the information in my ArcGIS file now in Microsoft Excel without any change. I can do whatever I'm interested, change, or let's say do some manipulation, modification on that. And also I need to save this file as a new one. Sorry, I need to use this one. I can save it as a new file in a XLSX, or you can choose another format, depends on your work. Okay, very good. Thank you very much for your attention.